Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so begin in the Calendar tab. This gets your meeting anchored to a time and attendees. Click New Meeting to create an event. That's the quickest way to get a link. Add a clear title and choose start and end times so teams can generate a join URL. Make sure you select the correct time zone and account if you manage multiple calendars. This prevents confusion later when people try to join. Once you've created the draft, fill the details. Put the agenda in the description to help attendees prepare. If you add a channel, the link becomes available there too and shows up for channel members. Use recurrence if it repeats, because recurring links stay consistent. After saving, open meeting options to control lobby behavior and who can present. This changes how people join and prevents interruptions. Adjusting these now saves troubleshooting later. Save and send the meeting invite so Teams distributes the join link automatically. Attendees receive an email and calendar entry. To share manually, open the event and click Copy Join Info or copy the URL from the channel post if you used one. Once done, confirm the link by opening it in a browser. This verifies permissions. If the link is missing, make sure you have permissions on the channel and that the meeting wasn't created in a private channel. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.